Hey guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today we are going to make some comfort food, potato and paneer parathas. Simple to make, these parathas are nutritious and tasty. Because of the fewer spices used in this dish, they provide as a good option for toddler food as well. So let's get cooking. First, let's prepare the dough for the parathas. To the whole wheat flour, add the carom seeds, salt and oil. Mix everything very well. The mixture should resemble coarse sand. Now add water little at a time and form a soft dough. Cover it and allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's get our stuffing ready. Heat oil in a pan. And add the onions and green chilies. Saute until the onions are translucent. Now add the salt, turmeric and coriander leaves. Saute for a few seconds and add the grated potato and paneer. Mix everything until well combined. Switch off the flame and allow the stuffing to cool down before use. To make the parathas, form medium-sized balls with the dough. Roll out each ball a little and add sufficient amount of stuffing. Enclose the stuffing by wrapping the rolled dough around it and seal it. You can pinch off the excess. Form a neat ball, press it down gently with your fingertips. Now dust some flour and roll it out into quarter to half centimeter thick discs. We are going to fry them on a hot tawa or frying pan on moderate heat. Flip the paratha after frying it for a minute or so and brush it with oil. Repeat on the other side. Allow the greased parathas to cook for about a minute or two more on each side or until they are nicely browned. Repeat for all the parathas. Our parathas are now ready to be served. It's as good as its masaledar version, or even better if I may take the liberty to say it. The fewer spices in this dish allows us to enjoy the goodness of the paneer and potato, which otherwise would get masked by the flavors of various spices. Why don't you try it and figure it out for yourself? Do let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive instant notifications of new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching.